Trailer parks where I go when I can't keep my own head straight. I drive that long, lonely road. I've got a million things to do, but they can wait. 5 o'clock in the morning, the sun ain't started to rise, but the hounds are barking. Inside of me, I've got a problem no one should have died. Oh, a problem that's been growing way down in my soul. Now I can't walk in that house till I get control. Excuse me, stranger, do you think that it's too late? I got a feeling it's worth the wait. I got a feeling it's worth the wait. I got a feeling it's worth the wait. Well, it wasn't always there, or if it was, well, I didn't know. It kinda caught me unaware, but felt like a place that I was always bound to go. My little girl, she looks at me, the glory in her eyes. She says, I miss you, Daddy, when you're not home. I need to know you're here every morning when I rise. Oh, I talk to a doctor. Oh, hell, I could talk to a friend. But I'm a-talking to you in this empty lot till the darkness ends. There ain't no crystal ball out here. There ain't no screen to watch your fate. I got a feeling it's worth the wait. I got a feeling it's worth the wait. I got a feeling it's worth the wait. Well, I already know that the sun is gonna rise. I'm thinking about that day in New Orleans and the fire that burned inside our eyes. I'm thinking about that day in Rome, how Joan of Arc did what she did. Well, I'm thinking of all the women who stood up exposing secrets that were hid. I'm thinking of all the guys who woke up knowing right from wrong. Well, I'm just thinking about this gas tank empty, and whoever knew it could be so hard to be strong. I'm thinking about the hands that reach out to those in need, and thinking about the love born with every seed. I'm thinking about my baby in bed. Man, I'm glad that you were here so late. I got a feeling it's worth the wait. I got a feeling it's worth the wait. I got a feeling it's worth the wait. Trailer parks where I go when I can't keep my own head straight. I drive that long, lonely road. I got a million things to do, but they can wait. Rainy day heart, you know I understand. I made a promise I'd always be your man. Bad days and dark nights, we we always have stayed true. But a rainy day heart, the time is coming soon. Rainy day eyes, they see through my wandering ways. Ain't told no lies, I've been faithful all these days. But time's so simple in all its mystery. Your rainy day eyes are open, and yes, I know they see. Rainy day touch, soft as a summer breeze, holds the secrets that once brought me to my knees. Rainy day lips, they speak of all your plans. When we kiss, I know I'm not your man. Well, I can't blame you or say that you done me wrong. Your rainy day heart has been lonely for way too long. Once we cared enough that we'd put up a fight. Rainy day heart, you know I understand. I made a promise I'd always be your man. You keep it hid well when the sun is shining through. But rainy day heart, the time is coming soon. Oh, rainy day heart, the time is coming soon.